Welcome back to Live a Rogue. Today we're going to be installing a ham radio into a Honda Element. Okay, so we're going to be installing this UV-50X2, and let's see what's in the box. We got a manual. We got a wiring harness with fuses. We got some mounting hardware. We got the radio itself. And we got this mounting bracket. Over here we have the microphone. It's pretty basic. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so welcome back. So I tried to run the power into the main cab through this spot here, but there was no dice. I couldn't get through the firewall. So I chose to go right here. Let me see. Right there to get through the firewall. And then I ran my wire, and that nice shiny piece of plastic is the new wires. Down here to the positive, I soldered on circular fitting and put on a shrink wrap, and then over here, so I grounded it to a spot on the body where I grounded something else. So the spot I came through was in the glove box. You take these two little clippies out right there and there, and this drops down, and then I was able to push the electrical cable through. I had to cut it so I could get the two ends together, and then I just re-spliced it and pulled it through this section here, and then through here where I connected it to the radio. So you can see there, I drilled a hole through this fuse panel just so it looked tidy. And then over here I drilled a hole in this little side panel, and I used this painter's tape. It's not the greatest work, but I used that to hold the antenna cable down. Okay, so thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and we'll catch you next time. Sorry for all the fun. That's the world of installing a ham radio into a Honda Element.